Hello, I am with Seed System Solutions, and in this video, I will cover a few changes that you may have seen in the order module. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your own organization for assistance first. There are a few new options within work orders that I want to make you aware of. The first is within System Settings. So if you go to Menu, System Settings, and then Advanced Settings, and then Inventory and Shipping, you will see a new work order type menu or portal. Here you can create a new work order type by scrolling to the bottom, clicking into the work order type, and adjusting or entering your name. You can select if this will hide the make, similar to a discard work order, if it will copy the take to the make side, similar to a warehouse transfer, if it is active, so it's still an option, as well as you can now edit, access, and you can edit which jobs cannot close a work order. So if this job cannot mark this work order type as complete, you would select that job in the drop down list here. Within work orders themselves, you will also see a few changes. So if we go to Menu, Work Orders, and go to our work order list, you can filter the work orders to narrow it down. Otherwise, you can open a work order by selecting the work order number detail. Within the work orders, a few options that you have that you may not have seen before is in the information icon on the take side, you have the option to split a line. You can also do this from the make side. If the work order type is one where the take and the make is copied, then if you split the take line, it will also split the make line. Another option that you will see is to move to a new work order. If you move to a new work order, again, if the take and the make is copied to the make, it will move both lines. But otherwise, it is going to move the take line to a new work order that has the same type as this current work order, but with today's date. It will not open the new work order. You will remain on this work order, and it is going to zero the quantity of the line on this current work order. Another option that you're going to see is move to an existing work order. When you select this option, you're going to see a list of any open work orders that you have, the date, the number, and the type, and any notes for that work order. You would then select the work order number that you want to move this line to, and it is going to zero out the line on the current work order, and it is going to move the line to the new work order. Again, if the take is copied to the make, it will move both the take and the make lines. So you can see on this work order, it's now 0. But if we go to the new work order we moved it to, those lines are now on this new work order. You may also notice that on the right-hand side, you can see a pallet number box on the take lines. You can now build a pallet or packing slip based on pallet numbers, similar like you can on a pick ticket. So any lines that have the same pallet number will print on the same packing slip. You can use numbers, letters, or a combination of both. Then within the hamburger menu, you will now see the packing slip option. In addition, you can also manually enter your new bin location on the make side without having to open the edit pencil. You can just type in your new location or select from a magnifying glass if you see that option. The final change that you might have noticed in your hamburger menu is in regards to reversing a work order. This is useful if you completed a work order in error. In your hamburger menu on a completed work order, you're going to see the option for reverse work order. You can only reverse a work order or work order lines if you have enough quantity available to cover the reversal. So you would select the reverse work order. It is going to create a new work order with the same type, and it's going to reverse your take into your make side, or your make into your take side. Here we can see we have a new work order. The type is discard, but we do have make lines on this one. And our quantity is a reversal of what our take was previously. Then you can complete your work order. If you do not have enough available inventory, it will omit that line from the reversal. And that is a review of some of the changes that you will see in this latest update of Seed System Solution. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us at grow@seedsystem.co. You can reference our other training videos we are creating, or you can register for one of our free monthly Seed System support Zoom meetings.